Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how I turned this basically a 3D jigsaw into a spooky house build. So I followed the instructions and built the house, as you can see, and then what I'm doing now is the little sort of like hooks that stick out and the little clips that are used to hold it together, I'm removing those and I'm gluing it all together instead, because I need a nice smooth surface on the outside to work from so I can add texture and details. And also it looks a bit weird with these like hook things sticking out the side, because obviously I want to make it not look like a jigsaw. So what I'm doing is breaking them off, as you can see, and the wood's quite thin because it's like balsa wood, so I'm just breaking them off with my pliers and then sanding down any bits that are left sticking up and trimming off any bits if I need to trim them off. Although to be fair, sanding it off is a lot easier. So I'm just using my knife to scrape off any random bits and then sanding them down. I'm using an old nail file because it still has got enough abrasiveness to do this, and I might as well use it up before I chuck it away. So nice and smooth, as you can see, and I'm going to do this all around the house to remove any of these little hook things and smooth everything down, ready so I can start adding more wood to it and adding details. So like I want to add some shingles to the roof. I'm going to add some more details to like the fronts and everything, and to the windows to make them look a bit more rounded as opposed to just flat cut out pieces of wood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry on working on that, and then I'll come back and show you what the house looks like. So once I've done that, the house looks like this. I've added shingles to the roof, I've added more details in the wood. As you can see, I've used a lot of little dowels and things to make the window bars look rounded. I've added lots of broken shingles to the roof because I want this to look like a spooky house that's dilapidated. I've added more wood to the sort of porchway veranda bit. Then I painted the whole thing black. Oh, to add the texture, I've literally just put hot glue over the whole surface while moving the hot glue gun backwards and forwards very quick, and it gives us sort of like this textured surface without having to do loads of layers of paper mache or anything. So here it is all painted black, and I've added extra texture to the shingles as well. So it looks like that, and then with a dry brushing over the top, it looks like this so far. Now obviously this project is not completed. I am going to work on the interior and fully deck it out and everything, but for now this is the stage I've got to. And yeah, so that is step one of turning a 3D jigsaw house into something spooky and gothic. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.